This is my journal, and I started using it at the beginning of this year. And it's really helping me with motivation, with my routine, and achieving my overall goals. It all started from an article I read online about statistics related to goals. Did you know that research suggests that 92% of people do not achieve their goals? And again, people with written goals are 42% more likely to succeed than people with unwritten goals. So I started thinking and researching a bit online and on YouTube, looking at different systems, at different journals, at different techniques. And this is what I've come up with. And it is perfect, in my opinion, for every type of goal. General goals, more specific goals, life goals, or just weekly goals. And in this video, I'm going to show you step by step how you can also do it. But don't expect anything fancy. It is just very functional and simple for every situation. The first step is to decide your goal. And again, this can be general or very specific. I decided to be more productive. And later on in the video, I will show you how this can be translated into daily actions or habits. So think about what is that you want to achieve. I chose this because my overall goal is to improve my routine. But your goal can be really anything. It could be learning a new language, becoming healthier, or just learning a new skill. And I do understand that a lot of people are still in the phase of trying to figure out what they want to achieve in life. What is their goal? So to that type of people, I would like to ask one simple question that is really helping me every single day. How do you envision your normal routine in 10 years? List down all the things you would do during the day, from the morning routine to what you would do as a job or not as a job, to the night routine. And identify what is that you are actually aiming for. But again, this could be just an example. Your goal could be even just leveling up your routine. The second step is to make the bigger goal divided into different categories. So, for example, I chose health, side hustle, and knowledge. Health is related to well-being, walking, biking. The side hustle is about making YouTube. Well, knowledge is all about reading, about studying psychology, and everything that is related to. You can choose different categories. You can make it 3, 5, 10, as many as you need. So, for example, if your goal is to learn a new language, this could be speaking, writing, and listening. Or if you want to get fit, it could be cardio or strength and flexibility. Really, it has to be something that makes sense for you and for your goal. The idea is to slowly break down the bigger goal into more manageable categories. It is now time to set concrete actions, tasks, habits, and milestones. The secret is to have a right mix of everything. So, first of all, think about all the actions that you can do every single day to get closer to your goal. Personally, when it comes to health, this could be 10,000 steps daily, or going to the gym. Or when it comes to knowledge, it could be reading 30 minutes every single day for a book, or just listening to a podcast. But literally, it can be anything. If you're trying to learn a new language, it could be 5 minutes of Duolingo every single day. Then, set also goals, milestones, something that you want to achieve. It is very specific. This can be reading 5 books in a month, or publishing 8 videos in a month, or running 10 kilometers. This will be the right mix and the right balance between habits and goals. This whole system can be seen as an upside-down tree. We started from a goal, we branched down into different categories, and every category has different branches, different goals, different milestones. And you can also make different levels. So a branch could be about running, and it could be 5 kilometers, then 10, 20, and you continue like this until you achieve the end of the branch. It really can go as far as you need. The next important thing to think about is the time frame. I chose it to do monthly for one specific reason. My situation with my studies make it difficult to understand how it will be 1 month from now, what will be my priorities, and what will be my time availabilities. But you can also do it weekly, yearly, every 100 days, 50. And the secret is to make it as visual as possible. So the closer you get to a goal, the more motivated you are to achieve it. So set small calendars or small boxes to check. The way you visualize it is the way you're really helping yourself achieving the goal. If there is something that I've learned studying psychology and gamification, is the importance of rewards. Rewards are essential for motivation, and they will also help your brain release dopamine, which is the chemical behind habits. The idea is to set big and small rewards along the way. For example, after a streak of 5, 7, 10 days, or when you achieve a milestone. The secret is to create a balance between the size of the reward itself and the effort you have to put to achieve it. Some of the rewards I put myself are eating out or putting a certain amount of money toward a bigger goal, such as a trip, a new piece of equipment. But rewards don't have to be big. They have to be meaningful, something that has value for you. It could even just be your favorite cup of coffee, or a dinner out, or just watching a movie. So put some time and some efforts in thinking what is the right reward for you, and then just design the system accordingly. And by doing this, you will have a very simple yet powerful template and journal style. And the best thing is that you can really use it for every type of goal. It can either be a huge tree with a lot of branches or a lot of smaller trees. And if you're interested in knowing how you can level up your life and build better habits and system, well, then consider subscribing and see you next time.